What's up, everybody? It's Joe from TRS Fishing. Very early in the morning. Pretty exciting video today. You're gonna like it.
It is. And they do.
Something in there.
There's some bass.
Is there really?
Yeah. We're gonna give her a shot, see what happens. All right. The remnants of Kool-Aid and it's not blood, I swear. That back in there so I don't hook either myself or you. The camper's okay. The tarp, not so much. Let's be sneaky here. See if Mr. Bass is still in here. Whatever those little fish are, my God, look how realistic that thing looks in there. There's
a snake.
What?
There's a snake right in the middle of those rocks.
Where?
Those rocks at the middle of the big rock out there further in the middle. See it moving?
That's copperhead.
Oh, get it.
Dude. That was a good eye there. I prefer not to catch a snake though, just saying. Those may be suckers. Let's walk down to this little... It legitimately looks like I killed somebody with my fishing rod. Maybe I did. Oh, there's something in there. He went after it. There's also a bluegill. Should have brought those worms. Do like a catch anything that'll bite. Walk down to the other side. Maybe. See if Mr. Duck is. How did I name that duck? Jimothy? James the duck, that's what I named him. He's back. Hey bud. How you doing? You're just the most social little guy. You're almost making me reverse my opinion on ducks. Come here. Come on. Just please don't bite me. What's up? Hi. How you doing? You wanna try? No? There's a little bunch of little fish in there. Why don't you go eat them? You gonna fish with me? Okay. You go catch the fish. I forgot how deep that was right there. There's something. Yeah, definitely. All right, little Jimothy, I'm going up here. You coming with me? How you doing?
I'm doing good. Have any luck?
There's some bass in here, just trying to waste the day and see if we catch anything.
Good luck.
Yeah, thank you. All right, see if he'll follow us. You coming? He's thinking about it. I bet you he does. Oh, little Jimothy. Oh, that is totally worth like the 4-hour drive. A rock bass shot out of nowhere for that thing. There we go. What we got? Smallie? Yep. Nice. Didn't get skunked. Hmm? Probably not. I have bad luck with that. There you go. Be free. You know? Huh? I have an idea. Hold on a second. What's up, Jimothy? You can't have that, dude.
Well, I want it. I want it real bad.
I wish I had some bread for you, bud. If you start stealing shiny things out of my tackle box, we're gonna have issues. You gonna come home with me? Oh, that's weird. Let's try that. Yeah, go figure, right? One time I tried to catch creek chub. I get a duck friend. Hi, duck friend. You want to poke at it again? Poke. Peck. Peck, peck, peck. No. No peck. Very pokey. Water is extremely clear. Pretty cool. Jimothy, go get that. Sorry, Jimothy, I got it. Don't worry. I hear a falcon. Boop, 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 boop. There we go. Jimothy, what do you think? Jimothy. Bro, you almost had that. Never thought I'd have a pet duck. There we go. Another one. Jimothy, over there, boy. It thing. Maybe Jimothy's a vegan. No, that's not yours, Jimothy. That big bass looked at it. I want to catch him. Why? There's like some weird gravitational pull that I keep casting right in that area. Where you going, Jimothy? Buddy. I thought we had something. Dude. Bye. There's something very big over there. That was a really big sucker or what? I don't know, but I'm gonna cast over there and see what that is. Into that tree, right? Ooh! Whatever it was, I had it for a second. That was neat. Whatever kind of fish that is, it just drove that thing nuts. Did you see it? This tube may be too big. Oh, it's too big. Yeah, that'll work. We need worms, man. Worms are what's gonna turn this day around. No Jimothy. Oh, that Jimothy. There's something over there that keeps chasing that. I don't know, it's decent sized. Something hit it. Yep. Let's pay some attention up here. Make sure old Jimothy here doesn't steal any of my stuff. Boop, ba-doop, ba-doop. All right, there's a hornet's nest. Okay, yup, yup. Yellow jacket nest. Section. Weird place for that. I can't cast this small thing. There we go. Nice. It's three different species today right there. Wow, that was a perfect landing on his part. Yeah. There we go. There's like a little hole right down here, and there's like 5 of these guys in there. Let's see if we can do another one here. What? There's another one. That's probably the same fish, actually. Let's see if we can do this again. Yeah, there's more in there. They're all hiding in this little spot. Oh wow, I messed that up. Okay. I'm sorry. Come here. Right there. Right here. Here's a tasty little acorn thing. Jimothy. Come here. Stick. Come here. Come here, Jimothy. Pretty bird. Yeah. Alright. Never would I have thought. It sucks I forgot my fly box. Big creek chub. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, Jimothy's back. What's up, Jimothy, old pal? Ooh, dragonfly, yeah, you almost got him.
Yep.
Oh, hey. Whoops. There we go.
Oh, jeez.
Catch, Jimothy. Another one. All right. No, Jimothy. Don't do it. Jimothy. Listen, don't take it personally. You know, they're just a poo fish, but I think I hurt his feelings. Look at him over there all smug with himself. Oh, hey, I have fish. It's a creek chub nation. Dude. Jimothy. Deuces. Guys, final spot for the day. Let's see what we can't catch. Not doing any major fishing here. Just being... Alright. See what we can do. Alright. Hey, we got one. There we go. Let's get it over by that log. See what. Oh, hey, got a fish. Nice. What do we got? Rock bass. Nice. It's our 4th or 5th species of the day. Here we go. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is going to be the 3rd keyword video. You probably saw this coming. The 3rd keyword is latte. So again, I'm going to link here down in the description the other 2 videos that have the keyword in it. As soon as we hit 50 subscribers, right now we are at 39. So we got 11 more subscribers to go before the first giveaway, which is the 3 hats. So stay tuned. Got a video coming up here later this week that I think y'all are going to enjoy very much. Thank y'all for watching, and please like, subscribe, comment. Let's start a discussion. Peace out. Make it good. No, Jimothy. Don't do it. Jimothy.